In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom domain in InfinityFree. So you'll have just to be logged in first of all into your InfinityFree account, and you would like to have a custom domain already ready and owned on inside an example your domain register, whether it's Namecheap, GoDaddy, Spaceship, Hostinger, Cloudflare, wherever it is. So now, as an example here, you can on your accounts make sure that you're logged in into an account and click on add domain. Once you click on add domain, you'll find add in a subdomain or a custom domain. For me, I'm going to choose this add a custom domain, and here which domain name would you like to add. So here just add your custom domain name, make sure it doesn't include the HTTPS. So as an example, let's just say this is my domain, so mydomain.com. And here you do have to choose an example. Do you want to create a new directory for it, or choose or use an example the directory of the domain that you have linked with this account? You can do whatever you want. And keep in mind that, as you can see in here, it can take up to 72 hours for new domains to be accessible everywhere. This is caused by DNS caching, which Infinity or InfinityFree cannot control, but there are some workarounds that you can try. And if you want to learn more, just go and open that and you'll be able to see what or more about that. So here you can go and click on add a domain as an example. And here, please, first of all, as an example, so your domain must be verified using one of these methods down below. So you can please verify your domain name. Please choose one verification method. Changing one of them is changing your name servers will make basically existing CNAMEs record inaccessible, so you cannot complete both methods at the same time. So you'll have to choose either to do it using the name server validation, which is a recommended version, or you can use it using the CNAME validation. So if you're going to use the name server validation, you can just go, as an example, verify the ownership of your domain name by changing the name servers of your domain at the domain provider. Depending on what you're using, if you're using GoDaddy, whatever, just go to the DNS settings and you'll need to add those name servers. So, or change them if you have already name servers. So you can change the first one to this one. So ns1.mydomain.com, and you'll find here desired name servers as well. So you can change 2 as well, 3 and 4 to to that. If you want to go with the CNAME validation, again, you'll need to create basically a CNAME record with this title. The desired CNAME target will be this, and the current CNAME target, as example, at the moment, it's invalid. So once you choose the method that you want, click on add domain. And basically, if you made your changes, you will have to wait on the DNS until it changed from 1 day to 3 days. It will take up to like 72 hours, so you'll have to wait. For me, I'll get an error here because I just entered like yourdomain.com, so it's not even a custom domain that I own. For you, if you entered this right, of course, and change the DNS server's rights, you should have no problem with adding your custom domain right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.